Yo, what is up guys? My name is Tyler Potts and I today am going to be starting a challenge called the 100 Days of Code. Unfortunately, 100 Days of Code is supposed to be coding for an hour a day. Because I work, bearing in mind I'm working at work coding, I can only do a video for roughly short time, so I can't do a whole hour of coding on a video. For starters, that'd be quite boring. I don't think many people like to watch someone code for a whole hour, especially if it's unedited. So I'm going to try to find small short projects to do every day for 100 days and try and get them all up in a row. My first video obviously will be a timer. So yes, you can tell by this title of the video. It's going to be a JavaScript timer from scratch. So depending on how long it takes me, depends on how long the video will be. Anyway, let's get started. So I am going to create a new file. I'm going to call it index.html. And we're going to use emit to, whoa, that's really zoomed in. Is that good for you guys? Maybe that'll be good. Let's call this the Tyler Potts timer. Nah, let's just call it the timer. The timer. Okay. Secondly, let's go here and what are we going to write in here? Let's see. We're going to create a wrapper. Because everybody needs a wrapper. Then we're going to have a... Actually, we're going to call it app because we're going to pretend it's an app. And then inside app, we're going to have a timer. We're going to start with a hashtag timer.timer2. And that is going to plug our stuff in. We're going to put some numbers in there so we can style it. We're going to say, let's say, we're going to say 1 hour and 30 minutes and 20 seconds. I don't know why I chose those times. I have no idea. Bearing in mind, by the way, if I do sound a bit quiet or a bit sick, I have sores on my mouth, which really hurt for me to talk. But I'm doing this anyway, and it is 2:19 AM. So that's going well. I should be in bed soon, hopefully, depending on how long this video takes. Okay, so class timer, ID timer. Okay, so we are going to hit this up. We're going to do a dot. What we got? So timer. What should we do? What do we need to do? So we need a start and raise button dot start hashtag start, and it's going to be called start. This one will be sorry guys, this one will be stop and a stop. I think that's it for now. Just start and stop, simple. We'll create a new folder called assets. In assets, we're going to create a folder called Sass. We will be using Sass. I hope you like it. It's going to be called main.sass. And then we're going to start by starting this. So for Sass, let's run a live server. Do I have live server installed? I don't think I do. Oh, damn. Right click. There we go. Bam. Hey, look at that. There you go. Finished, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. No, I'm joking. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, so we're going to Sass and we're going to start this up. We're going to go app. Was it app or dot app? It was dot app. We have class. And we're going to say display flex, justify content center, and align item center. Oh, and we're going to say width 100 VW and height 100 VH for vertical height. This isn't a basics tutorial, it's more to focus on JavaScript. I'm just going through it all so you can see everything I'm doing right now. So all this does is this flex. We're using the flexbox grid method essentially. We're setting height of 100, width and 100 vertical width and 100 vertical height. Wait, vertical height? Viewport width. That's what I meant, not vertical. And then justify content centers the content on the x-axis, and align item centers it on the y-axis. I think that's the right way around. So now that should be in the... Don't show me up. Be in the center of our page. Oh, we need to hit that watch Sass button. And then not only that, we need to go in here, we need to hit the link. We've got to go dot slap. Wait, no, it's not. Oh my god. Assets. CSS main. There we go. Boom. There we go. Oh, we want display. We want to go flex direction column. Yeah, but we want to then copy these dot buttons. That'll do. Naming is in what we're here for. Boom. There we go. Nice. Next up, we have the timer. So let's our timer. Let's give it a padding of 15 pixels all around. Background color or RGBA 0.2 maybe. It's a bit too much. Less 0.1. Yeah, that'll do. Border radius of 8 pixels. See what that looks like. That'll do. And then we've got buttons, so dot buttons, display, padding. We're gonna add padding of 15 pixels too. We're gonna have a background of F3, and we're gonna have another border radius of. This isn't a styling thing again. I don't know why I'm even bothering with styling. We probably should just went straight into JavaScript, but ooh, yeah, that's a good point. I make those widths. Flex 1. Ah, that's height, isn't it? 'Cause we're going on a column. Okay, we'll just go here and we'll go width 150 pixels. Same with down here. And we're going to go text align center. Is that going to center buttons? Yeah, and we'll go here, text align center. There we go. Wait, why is that the same? I didn't want the code. Wow, is F3 the same as that? Oh my god, that is amazing. That was completely accidental. Anyway, we don't want that anyway. What do we want? We want 171717. Yeah, and then we're going to say color F3. Boom, look at that, simple. And we're going to set font family to Helvetica sans serif. That'll do. Look at that. There we go. Alright, that is all that's all the styling I'm going to do because it just needs to be really simple. Next bit is going to be oh no, we need a folder called JS and then a file called main.js, and then in here we're going to link it at the bottom. We're going to say script source. We're going to go assets JS main.js. There we go. So now we want to create a variable called timer. So we're going to use let. We're going to use ES 2015 to source syntax for variables, functions, arrow functions. We're not worrying about IE or anything like that because we're going to be using Chrome. And we're going to call this one select timer equal set time out or set interval function. What are we going to call the function? Timer handler. Look at that, it had it for us. And then we're going to say every second, and then inside function timer handler we're going to say. So now what we're doing is, so basically we've set a variable called timer function. So this timer here, this sets the interval, so we can use this to reset the timer and stuff because we're setting an interval using this. And then every once, now we're going to do a count. We're going to create global variables. How do we want to do this? Do we want to go do we want to create 3 separate variables for seconds, or do we want to create seconds and convert them into time, hours and that? Or we're going to create 3 separate. We're going to say seconds is equal to 0, let min equals 0. I'm going to do sec. That's not 0, is it? That's a minus. And we're going to do hour. Boom, all set to 0. It seems weird, but I think it'll work. I hope it'll work. And then every second we want to go sec plus plus, and then we're going to say if sec is equal to 60, equal to 60, then we're going to say sec equals 0 and min equal 1. Right? Right, maybe not. What am I thinking here? No. And then that'll be min plus plus. There we go. So now that should incline, then we'll go if min is equal to 60, and we're going to go min equals 0, and we're going to go min hour plus plus. Boom. So now what we're doing here is we're incrementing each one. So this is going to be increment every second. This is going to run. It's going to increment second. So now if we go here and we go to this log, so we're going to go oh no, what am I doing? This isn't a fair one. Hour plus min plus sec. Now, if we go back here, we refresh and we press I in console. Oh, that's only going to run it once. 1 sec, let me do it there. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second. Nice. So there we go. Now we're gonna call a function called display time, and down in the function of display time, we're gonna get this here. So this here by the ID. So we're gonna say let timer element equal what do we say it was? document.getElement by ID. So this finds the node by, or the HTML element by its ID, and we're going to call it timer. And then I'm going to say timer element dot inner HTML is equal to, and we're going to say, oh god, we should have kept that string. So it was hour plus that plus min plus, god this is tedious, plus sec. Boom. So now if we refresh, there we go, timer is counting. Before we start, we'll activate these buttons soon. So there we go, timer is counting. I don't really want to wait until that gets to 60 to test it, because we'll test that afterwards. I'll skip it in the video so you don't have to watch it, but for now let's go here. And oh, but wait, we notice there's no, when it's below 10, it's only 1 digit. We want to keep it 2. So now we're going to go here. Now we're going to go if sec is less than 10, sec is equal to 0 plus sec. And then we're going to go if min is less than 10, min is equal to 0 plus sec. Oh wait, no, we want to create a nice, like a second. So we want to create some new variables, else we're going to replace the variable and screw it up. So we're going to say let sec. Oh no, my brain. Let sec pre. Oh god. Sec pre. Oh my god, what have I done? Now we're going to say that is equal to that, and then that will go there. Oh shit, that will go there, and then we're going to say min, same way, we're going to boom, boom, and we're going to say min and hour. I'm also going to copy this and paste down there, and we're going to go hour, and we're going to say hour pre is equal to that hour, and we've got to do the min pre is equal to min, and hour pre and min pre. I'm sorry that my variables aren't so pretty. There we go. Look at that way. Let's remove the spaces. That looks weird. Boom. So 1 second, and also to fix that bug at the start, we'll just set this to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now it starts at 0 and it increments from there. Boom. Okay. Next up, we're going to hook up the button. So we're not going to run this by default. So this timer, we're going to not set this here. We need to do. So time will be set there, and we're going to go down here and we're going to say, so we're actually going to get this here, the start button. So we're going to say, let start button equal document.getElementById, and it's called start, right? I'm going to say start button.add event listener, click function, and it's going to say timer equal to that. And that is going to start it's going to start that, and then we're going to do the same with a stop button. Say stop button. Call this stop. There, click, and then we're going to clear the interval. Clear interval, and it's going to say timer. Now, that's wrong variable. There we go. Let's go here. So now it doesn't start. We click start. There we go, it started, and if we click stop, hey, that works, and start, and it restarts it from where. So now we need a reset, don't we? Yeah, let's add a reset button in. Call this one reset. So this is really a pause. We're going to call it pause, but we're going to leave the stop in there because I'm not going to create an actual stop button. Reset. And now we're going to go here, call it reset button, reset, boom. And in here we're going to say, so we're going to clear the interval again just in case it hasn't been stopped. And then actually, you know what, let's go in here on start, reset. Wait, let's bring this all the way up so we don't want any issues. Let's bring these up here and add the event list and delete. Okay, so now we're going to say reset button dot disabled equal to true, and then down here we're going to say reset button dot disabled equal to false. And then if we click the reset button, it's also going to set false or disable it. Wait, let's have a look. Okay, so that does work. We need to do something about that though. But so we actually want to. Actually, you know what? We're going to go in here and go disabled equal to true. So now it's disabled by default. You don't want to reset if it's not resetable. Anyway, so we're going to go in here and we're going to say sec is equal to 0, min is equal to 0, and hour is equal to 0. So I'll reset the variables. Secondly, we want to go here, timer element. We're going to actually create a global because we're going to need it in multiple places now. And in the timer element, we're going to go timer element dot inner HTML is equal to, and what was it equal to? It's going to be equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Boom. Now let's play. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. Let's pause. Let's hit reset. Boom, and then let's start again. 1, 2. There we go. It starts from 0. That's disabled when you actually play. Should it ever be disabled? Should you always be able to undefined? Oh, what did we do? If sec is more than 10, sec pretty is equal to 0 plus sec. Right? So wait, what? So that got over 10 and we had an error. Let's figure out. Let's go I and have a look. Oh, on the iPhone X, this still works, and it kind of looks pretty cool actually on the iPhone X for a simple timer anyway. Undefined, it goes to undefined. So let's log sec underscore pretty. Oh, we have to wait 10 seconds. I apologize. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know what's happening. We haven't defined this anywhere else. Oh, yeah, so now we actually have to go here. In here, we've got to go equal to sec, equal to min, equal to hour, and that should fix our issue. Can I get out of response mode? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Blast off! Yes, there we go, but it's at 10. And it is continuing to go. Nice. And now I'm going to wait, you're going to skip it, and we're going to see if the minute works. And I'm not going to skip it for an hour because that would take way too long. Alright guys, we have 5 seconds to go until the counter hits. Let's see what happens. Oh, and it worked, and I'm going to take it as the hour works. It's the exact same function. And I'm not waiting here an hour because I have to go to bed. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed that video, smash that thumbs up button. If you want to see more, smash the subscribe button, and if you want to leave me any feedback, if you need any help with your timer, because I know I quickly played through this, then drop a comment in the video. This is my first of the 100 days of code challenge. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Let's pause this timer. Goodbye.